I'm Josh and I've got a problem.
So do you want to explain to people why we've got this, or don't need to explain to people?
It's definitely your fault again.
So, hopefully you've seen the Corsa video. If you haven't, go and watch it. So the plan behind the Corsa video was we're going to buy a few damaged cars, fix them, flip them, make some money, buy something a bit nicer, like I said in the video, like a Golf R. So you can see we're not sat in the Corsa. What are we sat in?
I'm Josh and I've got a problem. My problem is buying too many cars.
It's not buying cars, you're pretty good at buying cars. You have got that down.
Yeah, I have, yeah. I buy them too much, too many, too quick.
You're supposed to sell one, fix one, sell one, buy one, and then build up.
I definitely got carried away, but
Yeah.
It is what it is. And you were definitely encouraging me. Don't sit there all.
No phones at work. You just said you buy a Golf R, and I said, well, yeah.
Right. We've got it off at truck. We've took bonnet off because it was damaging wings and windscreen, so we're gonna try and see if it starts.
It was advertised as running, but running lumpy on it.
Yeah, so we'll see. Engine might be dead, but we'll see. It says check coolant and there's an airbag fault. Right, are we ready?
I might have something to do with having no radiator.
Oh yeah, I'm nervous. I'm very nervous.
Go for it, let's see. Full sense.
Oh, she's alive.
She is alive, but she is lumpy.
That's not me. That is not me.
Hey, it sounds alright though, it's not knocking, is it? You'll have a massive air leak coming into cooler, won't it? Explode.
Yeah.
But it runs, mate.
No oil, mate.
It's got a massive air leak, hasn't it? But we still let it still stuff a bit, so.
Turn it off, don't kill it. But one alive Golf R.
Result that, mate, I think.
Yeah, well it runs, it's a bonus, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Sweet. There we go. Now to fix it. So this is the next project. Golf R. Manual, it's not a DSG one. Don't know why. But yeah, so now we're just gonna strip it, we've tested it, we know it runs. So we just want to get front end off now. We've got some parts, but we just want to strip it and see what damage is behind.
Sound.
Right, so Josh, you want to tell everybody why we've got a manual Golf R?
Because we wanted it, that's the reason. Alright, so the truth is, I was bidding on a couple on Copart and I got distracted. This came up and I was bidding and I expected to be bidding on a DSG one. It had a little bit more miles, but I bidded, won it, celebrated, paid for it, and then when we were looking through photos, Andy kindly pointed out it had the wrong gear stick. So I had a bit of a meltdown, but it's here, and actually, it's actually a split min car. Apart from the damage, it's actually a split min car, low miles, been really looked after. It's got brand new Continental tyres all the way around. We've actually done really well out of it. It's just not a DSG.
It is a good car.
But yeah, we'll see what manual's like. I've never driven a manual one, so we'll see. We'll see if we can kill it on track.
Manuals, upgrades.
Yeah, that's it. So there you go, that's the story.
So we're going to try and work in some sort of order, as we've learned from the last project. Tigwan, if anybody saw bits of that. So we're going to go front bumper, headlights or bits of, wings, and then everything behind, rad pack, strip all that back.
Oh, no, my washers! I need a new pipe. That's more less. I may have just let it going out now.
I don't think it'll back before Andy touched it though.
So we've got bumper off and there's a lot less damage than we expected, to be honest. The crash bar's intact, the secondary radiator's intact, being real arch. So really it's just headlight and what we already knew about, and headlight washer. But apart from that, we're quite happy with what we've got so far. Oh no.
Right, so we've got our front end off, all as we thought, to be brutally honest. We have got a coolant pipe that's broke off, throttle body's broke, which we knew about, and we've got a crack in the water pump. It's common fault anyway, so it's something we were going to do it anyway, so we're not too concerned about that. But all in all,
there's no hidden damage that we expected. We expected at least something. We were a little bit worried about the intercooler pipe, but intake manifold, but it's fine. There's no cracks in the plastic pipes. There's literally just the throttle body, which we knew about, and that coolant pipe. So all in all, if we weren't doing the water pump, we could have had it really built up and back up tonight. So that's it for tonight.
right everyone, so we're working on the Golf R tonight, so plan is, we're going to do water pump, Josh going to do water pump, nice new one.
It's a big unit, it is a massive unit, it's not just a 2-minute job. I think we might have to take intake manifold off.
They are quite common, we'll get you a little video of it, but when we're up to here, we can just see a little bit of white crusting around it. It's actually round. Yeah. One of these bits. It's one of the sealed bits. It's starting to leak anyway. But we're driven off the belt, off the balance shaft. They're not nice to get on. So it's intake manifold and everything off, but we may as well do it now while there's no front end on it.
It's a big unit. Obviously you can't even see any of it, so we're going to have to take quite a lot off to get it fitted, but it's not a problem, I'm not worried. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this air pipe off. I'm going to take the full lot off, and then I'm going to take the throttle body off and probably the intake manifold, depending on how far we get. Right, so now I've removed some air pipes and some water pipes. You can actually start to see it now. So keep going. Right, so we have found some more damage. We've stripped the throttle body off and we've been inspecting the intake manifold. I don't know if you'll be able to see. If you can see, it's got a load of cracks in it. It starts there. Like you can see, crack there, and it's all underneath. It's cracked. If you'll be able to see. So it's not what we wanted, but we have got one already, so it's not end of the world. So it looks like the intake manifold is coming off for us to replace water pump.
Talking.
So intake manifold's off. As you can see, it's all cracked there, so been no good.
Not bad to get off. Not bad to get off. Literally 10 minutes. Unplug injectors, 8 bolts, and just pull it off.
Absolute. It took me an hour to get it off, and Andy's just come and stole some at Glory.
Thanks.
So now intake manifold's off. You can see water pumping all its glory. Just need to get the belt off and then remove it.
Right, to get water pump out, you have to take the belt off at end. It's about 4 or 5 T30s, and then just pull on it. And if Josh just took everything off, pulls out. Try not to pull it all down your leg at the same time.
New water pump's all on. Right, so new water pump is on. You have to put the belt on and then tighten up bolts up. I did tell Andy this, but he just didn't listen, so we had to take it back off and put it back on. Right, so we've got intake manifold back on. We're just going to plug everything back in. We have got to repair this plug. This is the only plug that we found that's broken. But luckily I've got a bit of a loom cut, so I'm just going to cut it, solder it back in, a brand new plug back in. Yeah, perfect, it should be all good. Right, so what we've done, we've put intercooler on. We're going to fire it up. We'll just tie wrapped it in place just so we can run it and make sure there's no air leaks or anything like that. And then we're going to put a rad pack on and get it all built up. So we'll test it now. Ready?
Sounds alright. Give it a rev. Yeah, sounds good.
Only issue we've got, it's got a bulb out.
Has it? We'll have to have a look. Does it say bonnet's open as well, by any chance?
Yeah, and there's an airbag fault, I don't know why.